You guys know how much I love press-on nails. My bestie told me about this nail kit. These are supposed to last up to 30 days. I personally love the coffin shape. I went with the pink French kit in the medium size. Let me show you everything that comes inside of this kit. It has 150 pieces of nails, and these are the nails. I chose pink. There are different options. There's brown and nude. I think the French tip is just such a classic and it looks really elegant, so that's why I went with these, but the medium size was actually a lot longer than I anticipated. It comes with this builder gel, and then it also comes with this top coat and also the gel glue. We also have a mini UV lamp like this one here. It is compact, perfect for taking this anywhere. And then last but not least, it also comes with a nail filer. This is what I'm working with. I have very small hands, and I just removed a previous press-on nail set, so they look a little rough. So let me show you how to use this nail kit. These are the nails out of the box. I really have to just go through them and start matching them to my nail size. I have really small nails, so I'm telling you, this nail kit has a size for everyone. Once you have sized all of your nails, you're gonna take the gel glue, apply the gel glue onto your press-on nail, and then firmly hold down until you don't see any air bubbles. You want to keep the pressure on your nail bed, so this is what I do. I take my other finger, hold it down, and then I get my UV lamp. I allow it to cure up until the light goes out. I repeat the same step to all of the nails, and as you can see, I do have to file the ends of them. Now that I'm learning how to do this, I kind of prefer to file them before applying them on. I also prefer to cut them because this size right here, they're the medium size, but they're too long and I can't put my hand in a fist. Once they are all filed down, this is what they look like, and then I'm gonna go in with my builder gel. This step right here is very important because it's gonna make your nails last a lot longer. It's gonna help harden the nail and make it more durable. One thing that I definitely learned from this process is that you have to apply this even towards the bottom of the nail so that it doesn't start to peel. You're gonna put that back under the UV light and let it cure. Once that's done, you're gonna take your top coat and finish off the nail. This is the very last step. Top coat makes your nail extra shiny, and it also makes it look like you just had your nails done at a salon professionally. Once again, you pop your nail under the UV light and let it cure. You can definitely use a bigger UV light to get this process done a lot faster. I really love the longevity of these nails, and they also are super durable. I go to the gym, I work out in these, but for preference, I'm definitely going to try these shorter length nails because these are the medium size. If you also order the medium size and you're not happy with the length, you can definitely cut them down. That's what I've been doing. This is what they look like once they are cut down to my preference. I was luckily able to get a discount code for you guys. You guys can use Tracey Does 10 for a discount. Shop these through the link in my bio.